September 19th, 2006. Fourth Trial Overview. In the fourth trial, there was a debate whether obstetrician hospital president Jang Sang-sik violated Korean ethics law or not, who was in charge of supporting human eggs to veterinarian Dr. Hwang Woo-seok at the time when 2005 science paper was going on. In that trial day, obstetrician Dr. Jang said, "I hope Dr. Hwang's research should be continued so that our national biological engineering could not be lagged behind internationally." Number 1. Main testimony of hospital president Jang Sang-sik. In terms of redemption of operational fee for in vitro fertilization, that is natural not for a kickback but for expression of gratitude for contender of who voluntarily agreed to share their eggs. I'm so dismayed. While I was in the status of dependent, even though I had devoted lots of effort for nation and Dr. Hwang's research, same as much as I gave my best to the infertile patient within my sacrifices. Number 2. Below is consent for defendant questions of hospital president Jang Sang-sik. Attorney said, "Have you got informed consent from patient when it came to support the eggs for research usage of somatic cell nuclear transport derived embryo and stem cells?" Hospital president Jang Sang-sik said, "I had received whole informed consent between patient and their patrons." Attorney said, "Is prosecutor's assertion true that there was the difference between normal infertile patient and egg-sharing patient who gave you written informed consent?" Hospital president Jang Sang-sik said, 9 patients out of total 26 egg-shared patients in our hospital were successfully to be pregnant. This reached to almost 36%. It means there was no difference in between average fertility rate 25% of in vitro operation and egg-shared patients. Attorney said, "Did you support your patient eggs to Dr. Hwang's research team under the condition of kickback such as ovary stimulation drugs?" Hospital president Jang Sang-sik said, "Absolutely not. Undergoing injection of ovary stimulation drug in vitro fertilization therapy, I redeemed part of the operational charge if a patient consented to share the eggs." Attorney said, "How much did you redeem for them?" Hospital president Jang Sang-sik said, "This price is so high as much as 1 million Korean won, $660 because the ovary stimulation drugs almost depends on importation. In here, additionally almost 500,000 won charged for collecting eggs from each patient. We redeemed the charge of such part aforementioned above." Attorney said, "Do you think partial redemption of total operational charge for egg-sharing contender is a kickback?" Hospital president Jang Sang-sik said, "I think that is a natural expression of gratitude as a humane way rather than a kickback. Therefore, I consider redemption of 400 to 500,000 Korean won, $330 as natural, and furthermore, considering it as a kickback is definitely not righteous.